Hey guys, this is Carlos of swimbikeRun.ph. Hello, good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. So, just a quick reminder for the Duaman Duathlon 2025 happening this weekend. So, ito, iswitch ko yung camera. And so, we're monitoring the weather sa AccuWeather kasi we got concerns na baka daw may bagyong paparating. So, we're making adjustments. We're gonna continue monitoring this. So far, eto siya. And fairly accurate naman yan. And parang trivia lang. Suot natin to kasi. Yan. Yun, di ba? Hindi, kasi we're wearing this kasi since 2013 for some reason, every time na mag-shades kami, every time may race briefing and everything, biglang hindi umuulan or nakakalusot lagi yung race. Kunwari, maski na may super typhoon na Sunday na yon, ang mangyayari, magkakaroon ng gap from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Tapos biglang bubuhos ng ulan. So, we're hoping we can continue that with this year's series. So, ayun na, nag-post na kami, di ba? Alay na ng itlog and everything. Help us na lang. So, hopefully, maaraw tayo ngayon. But we're sending this because we have some quick reminders. If you haven't checked yet, we sent an emailer. So, search ko yung camera. Yan siya. You should have gotten this one from swimbikeRun.ph. So, yan. Ito yung in-email namin to all participants of the series, especially Duarman Duathlon. And also, if you click any of the links here, you will be put here on the website. And so, here on the website, nakapost na rin lahat. Typhoon Advisory. Athlete Guide, if you want to download it, it's readily available. So, ito siya. Yan. Oh, no, where's the athlete guide? Yan. So the athlete guide is here. Pwede siya i-download yan. So, ito rin mismo yung race briefing natin na I will discuss. Yeah, but just course through it. Andiyan lahat, everything you need to know. Okay? So, what else? Of course, meron tayong walkthrough, drive-through na ginawa. It's a tradition na we always do. Ayan, ang dami nang nag-watch. So, the bike. So, ayan. That's me. So, this is me going through the entire course. Ayan, yung run course, bike course.
So first time not so sure, but it will be one. So just go straight.
So what else? At our Instagram, just to keep everyone updated. We post everything on our social media, both on Swim Bike Run and Duaman Duathlon pages. So ito yung typhoon announcements namin. Tapos yan, let's make alley eggs. Dami dapat. Tapos, anticipation of the storm, we're gonna do this. We started this nung Aquaman Aquathlon, and then we will no longer have race briefing on race day kasi parang may nagsabi sa amin yan, "Sir, alam nyo ba pang-apat na race briefing nyo na to?" Oo nga, no? Pansin namin. And then, in other races, hindi na talaga sila nagre-race briefing on race day. Kasi nga, para everyone can just focus on the race. And then, regular race day claiming, we will remove it na kasi mahirap. We have 700 participants. And then, kung dun nyo palang gagawin yan, magka-claim kayo race kit, everything, tapos umuulan, bumabagyo, nandun tayo sa open area, trust me, it will be a disaster. So, in anticipation of everything, we hope you can get your race kit on Saturday. And then, if you can't, we have the option via representative. As we go along, we'll have career options. I don't know if possible yun sa triathlon. Like in running, di ba, the race kits are being delivered. But in triathlon, iba kasi in all multisport races, may procedure talaga that needs to be done. Pero if you have any concerns, just email swimbikeRunph@gmail.com. Yeah, so they will answer you. Yung iba kasi para may special kami, may mga pre-booking sa ginawa. So if you wanna avail of that, just email the team and they will take care of you. But we hope you can get it on Saturday para wala na talagang problema. Smooth na lahat. And what else? Ito na yung website. Facebook page, ito rin. Everything's here. So everything that's on Instagram is also here on our Facebook page. And YouTube, yun na. Ito yung AccuWeather. Ito yung emailer that you should have gotten. So that's it. So if you have any other info, if you have questions about the race, if you're excited, kinakabahan na. By the way, if you're racing and if also you have a team, please send us your pictures kasi we'll start posting the pictures of the participants, okay? So we'll post about it. Yeah, tradition na natin yan, okay? So simply tag us, Swim Bike Run PH and Duaman Duathlon. If you have race prep ng mga videos and everything, collaborator request, we'll accept it lahat. So that's it guys. So again, this is Carlos of Swim Bike Run PH. See you on Sunday. Saturday pala. See you.